Hi everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. In the last session, already we are discussed some points about the friction. So today we are going to study some more important points of friction. That is mainly factors affecting the friction. How some factors are affecting the friction. So now here the mainly friction is produced or mainly caused between the two bodies. When the two bodies gets contact each other, there is a irregularities become interlocked, then only the friction is produced, right? So here frictional force is caused to the intermolecular distance. Intermolecular means here you feel these are the two objects, in between there is a distance, so that is a intermolecular distance. Now it is intermolecular interactions between the two bodies, right? Second one, the friction always oppose the relative motion. The friction is always oppose the relative motion. In the last session I said, when you kick the ball, the ball is moving very fast. Gradually the speed of the ball goes on decreasing, right? Why? Because even ground also put pressure, put the force against to the motion. That is why the friction always oppose the relative motion, and it is more in the hard surface. So friction is mainly depend upon the surfaces. If the surface of the object is smooth or soft, it become less. If the surface of the body, surface of the material, if it is hard, there is a more friction is produced. And one more thing here, the harder you pressed, if you press the objects very tightly, harder, what happens here? Then the two surfaces are together, or they become express the more frictional force. When you press the two objects very great manner, we get the friction is very harder. So these are the some factors affecting the friction. Now let us study some more important points regarding the friction. They are the types of friction. What are the types of friction and how they are useful in our day-to-day life? So there are three types of friction. One is static friction, sliding friction, and also rolling friction. So static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. Now let us study one by one. First, what is the static friction? The force of friction acting between the two bodies, the force of friction acting between the two bodies do not allow, it does not allow the start of sliding one another. This is first of all not allows the sliding on one another, then it is called as the static friction. For example, heavy box, can you push easily the heavy box? No, the heavy box we cannot push easily, right? So the static means what? The force of friction is acting between the two bodies. Do not allow the, or do not allow to start the sliding with one another. Then it is called as the static friction. And second type is sliding friction. What is the sliding friction? So here the force of friction acting between the two bodies allows the sliding with one another with uniform speed. Even in the sliding friction, object is easily sliding with on another body with a uniform speed, then it is called as sliding friction. So easily the objects are sliding over the other surfaces. At last, rolling friction. Dear children, do you know, have you experienced when rubbing your palms? Is it easy to rub your palms? Yes, right, of course. But if you taken a pencil or a pen, what do you feel? So when you rotating or when you rolling the pencil other than the rubbing your palms, here what happens? So when the object is, or when the force of friction is acting between the two bodies, especially rolling between the two objects, what happens here? The friction is oppose the force of motion, oppose the force of the motion, that is called as rolling friction. But here static friction is more than that of slide friction. The slide friction is more than that rolling friction. Here rolling friction is very very less. But here one thing, the ball bearings in almost all the vehicles is act or working on the principle of what? Rolling friction. Ball bearings in all the automobiles, even the small vehicles or even the heavy vehicles, they are run very easily with the help of the rolling friction, or the principle of what? The rolling friction. So this is some concept about the factors affecting the friction and also the types of the friction.